So welcome back, Mjaya. So let's take a look at what the first question on our worksheet. This is from June 2020, paper one. It was from question 21 from ZIMSEC, right? So you're given that log x is equal to 6 and log y is equal to negative 2. You are to evaluate log xy for 2 marks and log 1 over square root of x for 2 marks, totaling what? 4 free marks. And it. So now, let's say what solution to this and it. So our solution, right? We're going to be what? To be applying the laws we have discussed in what? In our previous section and it. So we're given what? Log x, y, and it. So we have what? With our arguments multiplying, that implies which we are going to use what? The product law and it. The product law, which says what? And log of what? Of AB is the same as saying log A plus what? Plus log B and this do what? Apply up and it. So applying this for log xy, we get what? Tunaona we are now writing log xy is what? Is log x plus 1 plus log 1 log y and it. Now let's go back to what? To information at P and it. So what we log x is equal to 6. So we're going to replace log x with what? With the 6 and it plus ani plus log y turns this what? It's negative 2. So plus open bracket negative 2. So plus 6 plus or minus plus na minus you get negative. So yeah, 6 minus 2, that's equals to what? To 4 and it. So tatotoraji, the first 2 marks is mahara. Let's move on to what? To B. For B, iwe wakanzi evaluate log 1 over square root of x and it. So for B, we're looking at what? At log open bracket 1 over 1 square root of x and it. So we have what? We have our arguments what? Dividing and it. That means tichashandisa law, quotient law and it. Quotient law. Do you going to apply up and it? Quotient law, which says what? Log A over B and it. Log of A over B is log A minus 1 minus log B and it. The what? The quotient law. We are from what? To apply up and it. So you're going to what? To break this into what? Into what? Into and it can get log 1 over square root of x. So you have to log 1 minus what? Minus log ani log what? Log square root of 1 log square root of x yaka die so and this. So let me check 2 minutes with video langu lokubuda here. Can you actually see this? Somewhere I didn't see the corner. So okay, so let me try to work with my board. So log, we are translating it what? Log 1 minus what? Minus log square root of 1 square root of x and dt. Log 1 t square root of 1 square root of x yakadai so o and dt. Then apa pada kushanisa unyanzo manje and log 1 tati chi pepe tati pama special laws pedu. If you are given your argument as 1, so log 1, if you are given your argument as 1, that is this equals what? To 0 and it. So question later is now specify base, that's not good specify base. For your syllabus, that means what? It's log 10. Can I base ready 10 and it, we don't write log 1 base 10, we just write it as what? It's just log 10 and it implies what? Two chances are base 10 and it. So we are saying log 1 is what? Is log 1 base 10 and it. This equals to 0 because we have to raise our base ready 10 to 0 to get an argument 1 and it. So log 1, we're going to replace log 1 and na 0. So you're saying what? 0 minus 1 minus log square root of 1 of x and it, but square root of what, square root of x and it is hazvina kufanana here nekuti x to the power of what, of 1 over 2 and it, from our logarithm laws of what, of logarithms and it, from what, from our laws of one of logarithms and it. So this part exam we can skip some steps, but I'm doing this if everything step by step kuti unasoona and it. So tikuti 0 change the color for better visualization. Saka tikuti 0 minus and minus log x to the power of 1 over 2 and it, then tapiwa hani kuona law yakushanda pakushanda quotient rule takufanira kuapply chi, so product quotient, so takufanira kushandisa power, the what, the power rule and it. If you recall power rule yedu tati, if you are given log a to the power of what, to the power of n and it is power e anenda before the base, you translate it to what, to n log a and it, to what, to n log a and it, those are apply up and up. So we are saying kuti power uyu 1 over 2 achienda before the logarithms and it, so tinogona kubvisa zero edu ari pasi, so it becomes what, negative 1 over 2 log x and it. Then if you go back to information yatakapiwa the log x is equals to what, is equals to 6 and it, so if you replace log x na 6, this is becoming what, negative 1 over 2 log x times then into 6 and it. So but that is 2 into 6 we get what, we get 3 and it. Don't forget your negative sign. So your solution for b was what, was negative and negative 3 and it. What to actually 4 marks zemara. So in the next video we are going to be what, to be applying, to be what, to be applying what, question 2 on our worksheet. So I'll see you on the next one, brother man. Signing out.